The new RX owes much of its dynamic personality to its new powertrain lineup. It offers a diverse lineup of powertrains to meet the needs of diversifying customers and its carbon neutrality goals. 4 powertrains are available around the world, depending on market specifications, and 3 of the 4 are members of the Lexus electrified portfolio. At the top end, RX is powered by a newly developed 2.4-liter turbocharged HEV Direct-4 with Lexus's new electrification technology. The hybrid matches the 2.4-liter turbo with a front unit housing a 6-speed automatic transmission, power control unit, and motor, and at the rear is an e-axle. The Direct-4 system precisely controls the driving force of all 4 wheels at all times, maximizing traction regardless of road surface or driving conditions. Making the driving experience even more visceral, the RX actively manages cabin sounds with ASC to maximize pleasure. New to the RX family is the plug-in hybrid powertrain. Combines a naturally aspirated 2.5-liter 4-cylinder with a high-capacity lithium-ion battery pack placed below the floor. The battery utilizes a new cooling system to improve performance. The motor-driven E4 all-wheel drive system precisely controls torque to offer linear and powerful acceleration. Drivers keen on EV mode operation will appreciate the driving performance and a longer drive distance offered by the battery's increased capacity. The RX's hybrid powertrain is redesigned and pairs a highly efficient 2.5-liter 4-cylinder with a high-output front motor. The 4-cylinder improves RX's fuel economy compared to the previous V6. Front-wheel drive and all-wheel drive with E4 are available depending on the market. As with each of the hybrid models, the engine and motor work together to provide a smooth and direct acceleration, consistent cruising vehicle speeds, and predictable deceleration. The final member of the RX lineup is a 2.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, delivering high torque and dynamic driving experience. It melds superior fuel economy with low emissions thanks to its efficient center injection system. Available front-wheel drive or all-wheel drive enables highly predictable driving. And par for the course is the Lexus's quiet cabin, thanks to its extensive tuning and active noise control systems. RX's lineup of available powertrains is as diverse as the guests they'll serve around the world. No matter the means of motivation, the new RX ensures that even in a sea of crossovers, luxury, dynamic performance, and the sheer joy of driving will never be lost.